Damn cool, Hensem, Hi, I'm Suryan, and today on Rabak Reviews, we are gonna see whether the Samsons Clay Matte Finish Pomade is rabak or not. So Samsons Haircare is from Kalamazoo, Michigan, from the US. They have other products like texture powder, beard oil, solid colognes, and obviously many other hairstyling products. They also sent us this. It's a pack of baseball cards. If you want it, tell us down below. So it's advertised as a water-based pomade with a medium hold and a matte finish. It looks kind of creamy on the inside, so I'm guessing it's going to be very easy to scoop out and style in your hair. As for the smell, I'm just going to say somewhere in between of citrusy and woody. Okay, as usual, this product will go through our 4 scientific tests: the wash, the styling, the shine, and obviously the strength. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so as usual, we're gonna do our washability test. One sec, safety first. But yeah, I'm gonna take a certain amount on my finger. I'm gonna rub it between my palms and I'm gonna wash it. If it takes just water, that's good. Water and soap, that's normal. Water, soap, and then repeat, no good. Oh, it's not as creamy as I thought. Take about that much. About that much. I'm gonna rub between my hands. That's what it looks like. Okay, here we go. Ooh, very fast. Almost done. It kind of clumps up. All done. Perfect. So washability, it's pretty good. Okay, the style test. Same thing as always. I'm gonna take out about a reasonable amount and then I'm gonna style it. And then I'm gonna use the comb to comb through. If it goes through smooth in one swipe, good stylability. So yeah, we'll see how smooth this is. Oh, that's smooth lah. Okay, now is our shine test. We're gonna see how shiny this hair is or this product is. Nowadays, matte is in. Nobody really likes shine anymore. It kind of looks kind of gross and sweaty. But from the looks of it, it looks super duper matte. It's not giving off any shine. I'm pointing directly on it. I think the shine of this product is super matte. So it's in. Okay, now it's time for our strength test. We'll see whether the medium hold of this product is really medium hold, if it's lighter or a bit stronger. So yeah, 1 minute of fan chant blowing at you. It's the fan. Time starts now. So that was the 1 minute test. I think it's quite okay. It's still quite strong. It's not ugly, I don't think, right? But yeah, that was the 1 minute test. So yeah, so far so good. Okay, we are done with our 4 tests. As you can see, the strength really is medium hold. It didn't do too well, but I don't mind it because it's still stylable. So yeah, that's good. The strength really is medium hold with good stylability. The shine, as you saw just now, really matte. Styling itself, it was really easy. If the restyling is good, the initial styling is also very good. But yeah, as washability goes, you guys saw how easy it came off my hands with just water. So yeah, would I say this product is rabak or not? No, it's pretty good. Alright, if you like what you just watched, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and tell us down below if you try the Samsons Matte Finish Clay Pomade, and also whether you want the limited edition baseball cards that Samsung sent to us. Either way, my name is Suryan. You stay handsome, and I'll see you in the next video.